Hello and welcome to Althea Suite. Today we're going to take a look at creating service items in the system. So by service items, I'm referring to anything that is going to be a non-merchandise, non-product item that you are offering to customers. So that would include things like our delivery charge, any haulaway fees, installation fees, anything like that, that again is just not a physical product we're selling. So ironically, we are going to come to products and then items. And then here we will just create this product the same way we would with, again, an actual physical merchandise item. So I'm going to click new. Then as you may remember, the SKU will auto-populate for us, but I'm going to come in and I'm going to say my SKU is delivery. So we're just going to create a delivery charge as our example here. So then I will say in my item name, delivery charge. And again, we'll keep it simple and just say that we only have one delivery charge. But if you have multiple, you would still create it this way. You could just add specifiers, for example, size of item being delivered, the distance being delivered. So maybe 0 to 50 miles, 50 to 100, and so on. But again, we'll just keep it simple, one delivery charge. And then in the category, I'm just going to go ahead and put this in my services. Now, this next part is probably the most important for creating a service item. So a few things I will do with these checkboxes, with these flags here. I'm going to uncheck the is purchased. So this just is saying that I'm doing in-house delivery. I'm not actually paying for this delivery. It is all done by my team, by our labor. So this will make sure that we are not tracking purchasing. We are not creating purchase orders for delivery. It is all accounted for in-house. The second thing I'll do is select is service item. And again, this is just going to make sure we are not tracking that inventory. It is not something that we are reducing on invoice. It is just a service item attached to that order. Now, when I did click that, you'll notice the hours minutes field showed up. So I can add a duration for this service item, but for something like delivery, especially if I'm just creating one charge here, we know that that will vary greatly. So I'm not going to input an actual duration. Then down here, only other thing I would really need to add would be my sales price. So I could say delivery is $50. Then again, since we are purchasing, we don't need to put in a purchase price. We don't need to put in a preferred supplier. Assuming the majority of our custom fields won't apply to a service fee or delivery charge. So I'm just going to create. And then we'll come down again to my services. And we can see I have many more in here. We've got our delivery charge created with that delivery SKU. Thank you so much for watching, and we appreciate your interest in Althea Suite.